Alright, what is up? Got one of those abominations, which is a Daikin sticker on a Goodman unit. Got a coworker with me. He's just getting in a commercial, so I'm letting him see the biggest piece of shit. The first thing we just noticed is you could see the blower wheel spinning because there's a hole. Something must have happened to where this shaft rubbed against the panel. Oh good, their unit just cycled off. I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna show him the biggest piece of shit unit. Okay, so this is a commercial unit from Goodman that Daikin ignorantly put their name on. So it's got this big motor over here and this long ass belt. I mean, this belt's an AX52. So they got some bolts right here, but everything is this contraption, which is that laying in there. All that tension on the belt lifts on this panel. Oh, somebody changed the screws already. They see these little 5/16 headed, like number 8 screws? Yeah. Those are usually right over here. Every one of these I've ever walked up to that's been running for more than a year or two has this motor flopping like this, flexing on this metal right here, because those screws pop right out. They just strip out. So they'll usually put bigger screws in it. There's some 3/8 headed screws, so some technician, yeah, it's typical crap. Piece of junk. We're not even here to work on this unit. This shaft must have come loose at one time, because look at this. That's freaking awesome. What a piece of junk. Yep. That's the Goodman flavored Daikin families of shite. It even still says Houston, Texas, which is where Goodman's made. Just got a Daikin sticker put on it. What a piece of shite. Yep.